Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Tip Top Monitor. And today I want to guide you, I want to show you about how to make letter of happiness. In 2 of January 2021, I have GH about 30 USDT and success. And now I want to make letter of happiness, my testimonial about this GH. Okay, first thing you do, you click letter of happiness. This process will take your TRX, and I have 61 TRX in my wallet, and let's see how much TRX will cost this process. Okay, your name, you just read about what will you fill in this process, about your name, status, residence, the amount of that of the given assistant, the amount of received assistant. Okay, click add testimonial. Wait. Okay, check your input. Okay, check your input. My name Dedi from Indonesia. PH $20, 20 USDT. PH on January, on December 1st. PH on January 2. My status participant. Coordinator for Indonesian region. Thank you, MNM. Okay, just like that. Then just the file of screens of your GH screenshot. Okay, I've screenshot my GH. That's it. Screenshot. Okay, this is my screenshot. Pin. Okay. You can input your link video about testimony in here, YouTube video, or if you don't put the link, it's okay. If you don't put the link here, it's okay. On the picture, then click add testimonial. Okay, confirm. Upload success. Refresh. Let's see, and done. Okay, and let's see how much TRX take the cost for this process. Let's see. Okay, about 14 TRX. Okay, yes, but 14 TRX, but it's okay. And this letter of, and I already make my letter of happiness. That's all. Thank you for watching for this video guide to make how to make letter of happiness, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can like or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you and bye.